I want to show everybody that she's got the, probably going to be hard to see, that collar coming out right here, right here. Yeah, how do you pronounce your name again? Eurasian Dove? That line on the neck. See if I put her on the table, if you'll be able to see it better. Right there. I see it. I see it, Birdie. It's right there. I see it, Birdie. Birdie, I see it. There it goes, right there. Okay. Booga Birdie. You're getting bigger now. Go back. Hang out in your favorite spot. This is her favorite spot. You're gonna fly? Do it on your own? You're gonna do it on your own? Let's see.
Вот этот гражданин, про которого не называют, его зовут Мэтью Чили, и он не дарил этот чемодан ей.
Where you go? Where are you gonna go now, Birdie? Where are you going, Birdie? Oh wow! You just want to walk around like that, Birdie? There's no nuts here. You want some nuts? Here's some nuts. Don't eat that. You don't know what that is. You don't know what that is. This you know what that is. No, Booga Birdie. Booga Birdie. Booga Birdie. Show everybody that collar on your neck. Show everybody. When she stretches her neck, you can see it better. Because you're a good girl, Birdie. Because you're a good girl. Only because you're a good girl. With your fluffy tail. Fluffy little tail. Booga Birdie. She's walking. It's so funny to watch her walk like that. Don't eat that. I don't know what that is. Don't eat that. Don't eat that. I don't know what that is. Booga Birdie. She's cute. You're cute. You're cute. You're a Booga Birdie. Booga Birdie. Her feet sound funny when she walks. Come on, Birdie. I want to hear your feet. You're pretty, Birdie. Birdie. Birdie's, good mom, Birdie's watching you. She already knows who you are. Yeah. Birdie, you like Dudu Mama? Do you like Dudu Mama, Birdie? Booga baga Birdie. Also, Birdie's watching. You know who Birdie's watching? Birdie, who you watching all day? She's watching her friends over there. Birdie, we gotta get some nuts for those birdies, your friends, so they can come on the balcony closer. Birdie. Yeah, I know, Birdie. You want to show everybody your stripe on your neck? Is it possible to see it on camera?
Maybe if she turns, she'll see it. There it goes, there it goes. Oh, why did it get so dark all of a sudden?
Birdie. Why did it get so dark all of a sudden? Wow, Birdie. Wow, Birdie. Birdie. Wow. I can see your stripe, Birdie. Here's that little stripe right here. They call it collar, if I can pronounce it properly. Birdie. It's a pretty one, Birdie. Pretty, pretty birdie, 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 pretty. A booga baga birdie. She likes it when I talk to her about her booga baga birdie. Yeah, she likes to say, what, Mom, did you call me? A booga baga birdie. A booga baga birdie. Booga baga birdie. Booga baga birdie. A booga baga birdie. And she sits here and she goes night night too when Mama sings her little lullabies. Huh, booga baga birdie. I wish I can get close enough to get them cute eyes of yours. Yes, they look so cute. They look very cute, Birdie. Maybe later today, I'll try to get them eyes. Birdie. Enjoy. Because you are the best birdie on the planet. My baby booga gaga birdie. I couldn't even pronounce it just now. And Birdie. Birdie. My baby birdie. Birdie. My baby birdie. Oh, yes. Oh, she likes that. Oh, yes. She likes it. Oh, yes, Birdie. Aye, Birdie. That's a good birdie. She likes it. Oh, yes, Mama. I love it. Oh, Mama's-ka. Mama's-ka, don't stop. Mama, I love it. Oh, yes, Mama. Mama, can you get them eyes? Mom, can you get my pretty eyes? Oh, yes, yes. You're such a pretty animal. Where's that line of yours, huh? Where's that little line of yours? Your little necklace, huh? Oops, Birdie, you got little feathers sticking out. Because you're a little boo-boo gaga birdie. Boo-boo gaga birdie. Okay, boo-boo gaga birdie. Them pretty eyes of yours.
Am I gonna be able to get this camera to focus? Maybe now we'll get the eye. There she goes.
Oh, yes, Mama. Oh, yes, Mama. Here's my eye, Mom. That's how pretty I am. You're so pretty, Mama. Oh, thank you, Mama. I love my eyes when you pay attention to me like this, Mom. Yeah. You want to turn this way so it's easy for me? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Birdie. Birdie, if you turn this way, I get your eyes. Look at them. Look at them eyelids. You're so cute, Birdie. Why are you so cute? You're like baby. You're like a little baby. Yeah, look at this baby. Look at this baby. You're such a pretty bird. You like it when Mama pets you? You think you're like part doggy? You think you're part doggy? Okay. Birdie, is that your friend? Yeah? You're gonna fly with them soon? Birdie. Booga baga birdie. They're coming, Birdie. Birdie, those are your friends? Those your friends? Birdie, we gotta get them peanuts. Birdie, Birdie, booga baga Birdie. Huh? Birdie, you see them? Do you see them, Birdie? You like it? You talking, Birdie? Are you talking? That's it. Birdie!
I put little wood for her. Look, she likes it.
Birdie, you like that? Let me see. You like that, Birdie? You like that, Birdie? You saying thank you, Mommy, because you like it? Sasa, see? Birdie likes her little tree. Birdie, you like your tree? Birdie, you like your tree? Yeah. What's the animal my sugar glider is sharing his tree with you? Yes. Okay. I'm gonna put you to take a nap, okay? Because I'm gonna go do some stuff. And then I'll be back. And we'll enjoy the tree. Okay, my love? Yeah? Yeah, I know. I know. Sasa. Okay? We'll go back to your tree later. Because I love you. Because I love you.
So I put a piece of wood in there, so when I cover the cage, she can still hang out on the wood. When I leave, I don't keep her out like that because I don't want her trying to fly somewhere and then cause an accident and hurt herself. And when I'm here, she just hangs out like this, and I put this wood here and she sits so cute, just watches out those birds over there. They're not there now, but
Wow, Birdie.
and it's perfect spot. So now I know to move move the thing a little further because now that she's not sitting on the edge, here she's sitting more.
Right, Sassinka? What do you think about that? Huh, Ducky? Tell everybody what the problem is. Tell everybody what the problem is. Hmm?